Hi guys, it's Melissa from Orgone Energy, and today I'm going to show you how to make something amazing. Today we're going to be making Shungite Water. Shungite Water is an amazing tool in your health toolbox. So Shungite Water has so many health benefits. Shungite can also purify water, remove so many contaminants that we are unknowingly ingesting every day. Making Shungite water is incredibly easy. So all you need is a glass or ceramic vessel, preferably with a lid, and some Shungite. So for me, I'm going to make two different vessels of making Shungite water. Now the first thing is that you need to make sure that your Shungite is clean. So you don't want any dust or anything like that getting into your water. So start with clean Shungite. And for me, if I was just gonna prepare Shungite water to maybe drink first thing in the morning instead of a coffee or a tea, I would use something like this. So this is just your regular mason jar. And then I would use a Shungite wand. This is a good size for this size vessel. So all you do is you fill your mason jar with water. It can be tap water, spring water, distilled water, whatever you prefer. And then what you're gonna do is just drop in your Shungite. I like to have a lid on it just so that no dust or anything like that can get in it. And then you just want to leave it and let it infuse and purify and all that great stuff. So minimum would be 4 to 6 hours. You can go as much as 3 days. Don't go any longer than 3 days because Shungite is a softer crystal, so it can break down a little bit. So 3 days would be the max, but you're probably good going like overnight, and then drink this first thing in the morning. If you wanted to do a larger amount of water, maybe you want to drink it throughout the day, or maybe you want to have some for your whole family, you can use a large glass water dispenser. I didn't have that, so I just have my teapot. So this is perfectly fine to use as well. It does have this little bit, exposed, but really that's very minor. So all I would do is fill in this teapot. Now what I would use is, now this is a product that's coming soon to the shop. It's our Shungite sphere. So this is more towards the sides if you're gonna do a large amount like this. And I would just lower this down very carefully. You don't want to damage your Shungite and you don't want to damage your vessel. So if you have, maybe something that you could just lower it down with versus just dropping her in. You don't want to risk wrecking anything. But this would be a good size for something larger of a vessel if you're going to do a lot more water. And then again, minimum would be 4 to 6 hours. Best bet probably overnight and just have it for the next day, drink it throughout the day or share it with your family, or you can go up to 3 days. So you just don't want to forget about it. So that's why I always like the overnight idea. Put it on before you go to bed and then have it when you wake up. So that's it. That's all it takes to make Shungite water. And just as a reminder, right now we are giving out our Shungite wands for free with any order over $150. So all you need to do is put free Shungite as our discount code when you check out, and you will get one of these wands for free. So you can get your own Shungite water every day. Thanks for watching.